I'll tell you what the fan. See, this is where it goes over the train tracks right here. So that's the original main from the track fire.
Did you know you can celebrate Oktoberfest year-round at Busch Gardens? Grab a pretzel and beer at Das Fest House. Test your skills with some games and relax at the perfect Bavarian beer garden. Journey deep into the Black Forest on Verbolten, a multi-launch indoor and outdoor coaster with a daring 88-foot climb towards the Rhine River that will leave you breathless.
Dang, it's a big
You can also experience the mysterious grounds of King Ludwig Sports on Star Coaster, an indoor launch coaster that traverses through immersive lighting and sound. If you look toward the right, you will find Alpengeist, our incredible inverted coaster. After climbing to a 195-foot alpine high, riders are hurdled through 6 staggering inversions at speeds up to 67 miles per hour.
Yeah. Ooh, pretty.
So cool.
She's a baby.
When I was here last, the trains only got put on the